Doki Doki Wage Club has a very large, active modding community, and having to reinstall the game every single time you want to play a new mod is a bit of a hassle. So luckily there is a way you can just do it all through a mod manager. So first thing you're gonna need is the Doki Doki Wage Club mod manager. Now you can find it on GitHub. It's free and it's open source, so you can look it up or use the link in the description. Go to releases. It should be pretty small on the right hand side. Now you'll find all the versions. Pick the one that's for your operating system. For me, I'm on Windows, so I'll pick win.exe, and then you can save it in your downloads folder. The next thing you're going to need is a mod. I would look on the Doki Doki Wage Club mod list and try to find a mod. Some of them will have missing download links, but this one did have one, so you'll just download it how you would download any Doki Doki Wage Club mod. Also gonna save it to my downloads folder. Now some mods come in a .7-zip or .rar file, and if you do have that, you will need a program to unzip tools. I strongly recommend 7-zip because it's free and open source. But if it's just your standard zip file like the one right here, then you won't need 7-zip. Now when you have a mod and the mod manager, you'll want to run the mod manager exe. You will get a warning. This is ultimately up to you, but I have used this program many times before, so I believe it's safe, so I'm going to run it. You may get a pop-up asking it for something about the firewall. Just press accept, and now you're going to get a startup menu, and you press get started. Most of this stuff doesn't really matter. Save location is just going to be where your save data is. I wouldn't mess around with that. And then the who is your favorite character. You can pick any one of them, but it doesn't matter. It's just a cosmetic GUI change. You'll get taken to this menu to install your mods. Now for the mod name, you can name it whatever you want. Just gonna call it DDLC for this time. On the mod section, by default, it's gonna be as regular DDLC, no mods. If you're trying to install a mod, you put mod is not listed here. You'll click browse for a mod. I put all my things in the downloads folder, so you'll pick Beat Buffsuki or whatever mod you chose. And then local or global save, it recommends using local saves, and you press install. It will take a few seconds, and then the game should be playable. You can click launch, and then it will open. Now you can spend hours playing fan-made DDLC mods. Hopefully this helped, and thanks for watching.